Hello everyone, today I continue my pool maintenance and repair series, and I'm going to show you how to safely detach and remove your above ground pool heat pump, which can be applicable to the in-ground pools if you have similar setup and similar pump. So go ahead and switch off the pump. And now I'm going to turn off the breakers, and I'm going to test that there is no power coming to this unit. Get your tester and just check out the power supply. Okay, so there is nothing coming to the unit. It's safe to start this connection. Now first you want to make sure that there is no water running from the filter to the heat pump and of course from the pool to the heat pump. You can just go and shut down the filter. So put it in a closed position. Okay, so now it's in closed position. You want to go into the pool, remove the jet, and close it with this cup. And you want to have a special tool to remove it. Now there is one thing I forgot to tell you. If you have your saltwater pool chlorinator, it's best to stop it as well. Remove the jet. Remove this threading. And now you close down the water running from the pool. Now go ahead and disconnect flex pipes from this unit. So first one will go with the hot water. Now one minor thing I realized, if you still had your water running a little bit, that means probably you did not shut down the water coming to your pump. So go ahead and shut down water that goes from the pool to your pump. Now you can disconnect the second pipe. Once you're done with the water supplies, then you can start opening the unit and disconnect the electrical supply. Disconnect your power supply. You want to take off first this panel. Just take it off. And then you want to open the main board, which is here. That's where your connection is going into. Now you want to disconnect both connections L1 and L2. Okay, now it's good to disconnect. And remove them here. Now it's time to close both covers, and this unit is ready for removal. That's it. So now this heat pump is ready for the repairs, for the sale, or for the recycling. However, if you want to stay one more minute, I'll show you the way to actually remove it from this place. Now, if you're like me and work on your own, you want to have dolly like this. You want to put this strap around the unit, and this will allow you safely removing it from the place. Now you just want to lift it up and you're good to remove it. That's how you can remove your above or in-ground pool water heat pump, and you can change it, you can sell it, or you can put it in the garbage. Thanks for watching, and as usual, let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Cheers.